Hey guys, what's happening? How to change nickname in Instagram chat. So go ahead and open up your Instagram, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the DM icon at the top right. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the person that you want to change their nickname. So let's say, for example, this person. So I'm gonna click their name at the top, and you're gonna see nicknames from here. Go ahead and click, and as you can see, that person allows me to allowed me to change their nickname. So I'm gonna click their profile, and then I'm gonna change their name to something, right? And I'm gonna hit done, and that person will be notified that I changed their nickname on my chat, right? And vice versa. If I didn't want the person to change my name in the Instagram chat, you could just go ahead and change the privacy to only you, so no one can actually change your name, right? But if you want to allow people or people you follow or everyone in this chat to change your nickname, they can do that the same way. So let's another comment if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.